Chibu's Special Day by Chinyere Ohwanu. Today is Chibu's birthday. It is a special day for him. He turns 2 today. Chibu's mommy and grandma are baking a big cake. Chibu's daddy is giving him a bath. Birthday songs are playing on the radio. Chibu dances as his daddy bathes him. Yellow, green, and blue balloons fill the walls. Chibu wears his special birthday outfit. Chibu's friends are here to celebrate. They are happy. They are dancing too. Chibu and Daddy cut the cake his mommy and grandma made for him. Everybody is eating the cake too. Look at all the presents. Chibu is happy.
Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this story, you can check out NABU's original free bilingual mother tongue stories by downloading our mobile app, NABU Multilingual Kids app, available on Android and iOS, or visiting our web reader www.read.nabu.org.